NWC department.
Hi guys, I am Bhavika Gupta from Sintel, Computational Intelligence from SRM IST Chennai.
Hi guys, I'm Aman Jain. I'm from SIM University from NWC department.
I'm Arav Chopra. I'm from also SRM IST KTR and NWC department cyber security specialization.
To this side from SRM University, and I am in computing technologies with specialization in CSC code.
Hi, my name is Jatin. I'm also a second year student in computing technology CSC code branch in SRM University.
That's awesome. So Jatin and Pratik.
Really like this program was very useful even the more we thought before coming, because when we came after interacting with the Malaysian professors, they gave us a new perspective, new broad idea to which we can work upon or think upon, and helped us to develop our skills to make that project come true. And also we got a lot of cooperation with sir as usual, and the Malaysian professors and the whole team helped me a lot. And that certificate, even that certificate is like best for like my resume and a lot of things, because that made me learn a lot of things. That's not a particular certificate. They made us learn things for 3 continuous days. So it was fun this tour, and I got a new perspective, and I have something now new, a fresh start after these Malaysian professors assistants.
Thank you. How about you, Jatin?
Sir, the 3-day program in which they made us think of an idea and develop something and then pitch it to we are pitching it to the investors. That enhanced many things in me, my brainstorming skills, my confidence and everything, how to convey my ideas to someone who I'm looking for an investment from. So that was very much worth it, and we got to learn many things. So the cultural exchange was very nice, and also the leisure around Malaysia, it's very nice. We got to know about the country and the people, which was really good.
First, we didn't had idea. They made us thought the thought process of a student that should be at a certain level. They made us come to a level. Then they made us brainstorm that idea. They made us develop something new. They helped us. They pushed us in the ways we didn't even know. We are getting pushed and we are getting upskilled. So on the third day, on the first day, we were here, and on the day 3, after getting assistant, pushing and we even got interest in this. So even we also pushed ourselves. So on day 3, we had a very nice presentation. Even the professors were crazy, and they all liked our ideas, and we have a new perspective because of that to work on. So it was very, very informative.
Instead of just providing just validation to the students it's very good or anything, the teacher, especially ma'am at the university, asked us cross questions, identified the problems that are within our idea, which really helped us to improvise our things and come up with something which is better than before. So the question answers and all that were really helpful, and I'm really impressed by the university and the teachers.
Awesome. I think
Projects, mechatronics student, he was a 3rd year student, and what a fantastic project he made himself without any partner, without any supervision. So he told me how from the day when he was in group, he told how did he grew his skills, and how he did this project.
When we built that, we thought that we had a plan this, and then finally it will work. But ma'am told us that there is competition, you have to solve the supply, then you have to solve the demand and everything. So that made our brain work more about this idea.
Actually, they grilled us on the question of demand and supply. What's the demand of the person who is consuming, and how we can solve that? Because even if there is the supply, there is no demand. What's the reason of that supply flow? So she made us grilled on that day. So that point made us understood the thing. We were awesome.
very nice. So
Places first of all, the most famous is the Peterson Twin Towers. Then we went to many shopping malls, the KL Tower,
China market and the city market that was there, and we went to those yesterday, those hills for that the cloud.
the Genting Islands.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Chinese temple and a lot of places today also we were roaming. I don't remember the exact names, but a lot of fun we did. After university, every day we went something for pleasure. We were not burnt in the university. We also had fun after.
Okay, so we
Students were very awesome, sir. Everything was on time, was perfect. Even there was a delay from our side, but everything from their side that was very nice and very cooperative. There were not any delays or anything. The food was great, the travel was great. Everything was great.
Awesome. Thank
I
you.
think when they asked us to pick a random picture, we were just a bit baffled. Like, what are we supposed to do? But that picking pictures went on to create something really beautiful from all of us. I think that was a very good experience to ideate things just based on a very simple picture.
That was a very interesting concept because that is what it took to wake us up from the sleep that we had because of the traveling.
Because like genuinely I thought like what can we pick up ideas from a single photo, but that's what the real challenge was. Like I was able to pick up many ideas from a single photo and put it into a project.
A very unique way to start a workshop, an AIML workshop. A fun way, different things you can notice, how we can infer data from a single image and how we can view different results with the different teams.
Awesome. I think
Searched up around our idea. We began with a picture of a traveling related concept, but throughout the process, when we thought about it for a day, we were like, we want to do something that actually makes a difference. So we changed up our app, and then we were sitting all night long ideating over something, and I think my teammates would tell us.
The highlight of the entire trip for me was us working till the very last moments. Deepen sir was like, "Can I put you in the first order of sequence?" We're like, no, we are not ready yet. And we were just, training our AI model to learn whatever we wanted it to learn. So that was fun.
The satisfaction that I got was from Joseph sir and Kalevani ma'am when we were pitching, and I could see the happiness on their face that they were not disappointed at all. They were actually impressed by our idea. So yeah, that was the satisfaction from the last night and from the 2 days that we have worked so hard.
okay.
Working with taking the data from research papers and making a proper project which can actually be applied in medical field was quite amazing.
Having such a nice team. I think we were each other's emotional support animals at some point of time. Like, we were like, okay, you can do it. Even if we were scared for ourselves, we had faith in the other person that they would pull it off.
Yeah, that's what we were doing throughout the entire day. All three of us were shaking because we were sitting together, right? And we're like, you can do it. I know you can. And at the same time, we're like, we can't do it. But yeah, we did it at the end.
What I think is how we pulled off the pitching was that we were not thinking from our perspective about the pitching. We were thinking about the jury's perspective, that how are they going to ask the questions, what possible questions they can ask. We were thinking about that and we were preparing according to that they should like it and it should be a profitable project. So, yeah.
Awesome.
Enthusiasm trumped anxiety. It was not that much fear.
Oh, okay. So that's a very different take he's got.
Yes. Different team, different take.
Yes.
No, so he was genuinely sleeping while we were all stressing over that.
So actually, when we first started off by thinking of the idea, we were not sure that we would get the funding or the pitching would be great. But when we finalized the idea, when we rehearsed our pitching, we thought actually this could turn into a really great app, and we really hope that it could turn into a beautiful app because it serves a very social purpose. That is
Can you explain about that project? Because I would like to.
We came up with Vigilance, which is a take on vigilance as a word. So we are trying to target public safety, include specializing in women's safety, because that's an issue that persists all the time.
Awesome.